Is it the right time to buy or sell Upstart stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Upstart. We previously published a report on our website on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and now we are providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 28, 2023, our system has ranked Upstart as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.34. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 72.87% since we first identified Upstart as a buy candidate just 13 days ago. This translates to an average return of 5.61% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.3% change expected in the next 3 months. This means that the return could range from -42.88% to 13.30%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 36.38% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -31.15% and 141.84%. In terms of price, it could range from $31.15 to $109.41 after a year. Our latest update on Upstart brings exciting news, a very strong day for Upstart stock price on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, December 14, 2023, the Upstart stock price experienced a significant gain of 5.92%. It rose from $42.71 to $45.24. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 8.41%, with a low of $43.26 and a high of $46.90. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, accumulating an impressive 69.06% increase over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume has also increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In comparison to the previous day, an additional 2 million shares were traded, amounting to a total of 26 million shares traded, with a total value of approximately $1.18 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $72.57, while the lowest price was $11.93. Currently, the price is 37.66%, equivalent to $27.33, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands at 88.73%, equivalent to $356.25, below the all-time high recorded on October 15, 2021, when the price reached $401.49. Today, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for UPST. On Monday, December 4, 2023, Wedbush gave UPST an underperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Piper Sandler rated UPST as neutral with a hold action. Let's go back to Monday, September 25, 2023, when Needham gave UPST a hold grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, June 14, 2023, BTIG rated UPST as a buy with an initialize action. Finally, on Wednesday, May 10, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave UPST an underweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Upstart stock a general buy rating. This means that experts in the field recommend buying Upstart stock. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy, indicating that the price-earnings ratio is highly favorable for investors. Additionally, the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy, suggesting that the stock is undervalued. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. This means that the stock's potential for returns is neither significantly positive nor negative. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Upstart. Let's take a look at the chart. We can see mostly positive signals for the Upstart stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, we have $37.72 and $28.16. If the stock experiences corrections and falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, November 10, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 116.77%. Based on this, further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Moving on, we also have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This is a good technical signal, especially considering that the volume is rising alongside the price. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a strong buy signal. The Pivots indicator also gave a buy signal 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 72 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Upstart. Let's talk about the support levels for Upstart stock. Currently, there is a support level just below today's price at $42.71. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $34.29. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may continue to decline. Additionally, Upstart stock is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant price movements during the day. In fact, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 12.52% over the past week. This indicates that the stock can be quite unpredictable. Before we discuss potential good trading levels for Upstart, let's go over some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either losing money or have negative earnings. Established companies may experience downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 13, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.120. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Upstart. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates the possibility of a swift upward movement under the right conditions. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, Upstart encounters its first support level at $42.71. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the near future. The combined average rating for Upstart from multiple analysts is a buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 11, 2023, Dutta Sanjay sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Darling Scott sold 594 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. On December 8, 2023, Darling Scott bought 594 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Darling Scott sold 240 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Darling Scott sold 294 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -42.114. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 186,414 shares and sold 444,268 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $43.78, representing a decrease of 3.22%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, leading to a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 89, further increasing the risk involved. It's worth noting that a buy signal was observed from a pivot bottom 23 days ago. Is Upstart stock a good buy? Upstart shows promising signs and is currently on an upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering this, we believe it is a wise choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, December 15th, we predict Upstart stock to open with a decrease of $0.107 and start trading at $45.13. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is crucial that you consult a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Please be aware that relying solely on StockInvest.us is not advisable. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we give you our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this particular stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.